Welcome to EdTube. Today, we're covering the latest sports updates. If you love our content, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Eritrean Mabrotu is set to compete in the 10,000-meter race today at 10:30 p.m. local time at the Paris 2024 Olympics. The event will be held at the athletics track. Eritrean swimmer Christina is set to compete in the swimming events at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Alexander Isak, born September 21, 1999, in Sweden to Eritrean parents, is a striker known for his stints at AIK, Borussia Dortmund, and Real Sociedad. He joined Newcastle United in 2022 for a club record fee. Isak has gained acclaim for his technical skills and goal-scoring prowess with both his club and the Swedish national team. Eritrean-American Lily Johannes signed a 3-year professional contract with AFC Ajax at age 15, running through June 2026. On November 15, 2023, at 16, she became the youngest player ever to start a UEFA Women's Champions League group stage match and the youngest American to play in the Champions League. Olympic swimming events take place in a 50-meter pool and feature 4 strokes: breaststroke, butterfly, backstroke, and freestyle, with the latter typically being front crawl. The mixed medley race incorporates all 4 strokes. Distances range from 50 m to 1500 m, demanding a combination of speed, endurance, strength, and technique from swimmers. Bin-Im Gourmet trains for the Olympic road race while wearing Eritrean colors.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to EdTube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.